I think one of the things, if you are going to use a capo, do not scrimp. Buy the, I think it's G7, that's probably my favorite ones. They make a really good one, it's touch sensitive. And you only want to put on the absolute minimum amount of pressure you need to put on a capo to make it work. So for example, if I put a regular capo with a big spring on the back that's got a lot of tension on one of my electric guitars, it's going to squeeze the strings really tight, and it's going to pitch all the strings slightly out of tune and not relative to each other, right? Some will pitch out more than others. And so that's very problematic. You don't want an out of tune guitar. So if you get a capo that you just have to put just enough down, like if you notice when I do my finger here, it's going to buzz, and I'll push down. And I'm only pressing hard enough to make those notes ring. If I press harder, you can hear it go out of tune. You can hear the notes, and that's what happens with a lot of capos. So get a capo that's right for your guitar. If it's an electric guitar, get an electric guitar capo that's adjustable on tension. That's the key. And the same is true for electric guitars, 12 strings, whatever it is you're doing. And then second, make sure your guitar is tuned really well. If you're going to stay with a capo on the whole time, then what you do is you want to put the capo on and then tune your guitar, and don't bend the strings, because sometimes you'll bend the string and it will get stuck bent up a little bit in the capo and then slowly come out while you're playing, making the guitar out of tune. So what you want to do is get the capo on, maybe have all the strings slightly loose, and then always try to tighten the string, because it will pull the string through the capo